Hey guys, it's my first unboxing of my vlog. So today, unbox natin yan. The peanut snoopy refrigerator. Yan. It says dito sa taas. There. Ages 3 and plus. And it says with realistic movable parts. Ayaw mag-focus ng camera. Yan, with realistic movable parts, with interactive features, and sa baba, realistic kitchen utensils. So, let's unbox this. Let's get this all opened up. Set the box here. So here's the refrigerator. If anyone would wonder, it has a cabinet, the fridge, huge fridge, as you can see. Huge fridge. It's like, I don't know, it's bigger than my whole hand, so it must be huge. It has a huge fridge with an ice and water dispenser, and it has just a little storage room. Oh, what's inside here? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at ice creams. See what's inside. We have a cup. Small little red cup right there. Oops. And anything else? Let's see if there's anything else. I think that's all. Oh wait, some fall in here. Look, see. Let's just close it. Some ice cubes. Just focus. The camera won't focus very well. Some ice cubes. Oh, there are more. Come on, focus, camera, focus. Okay, the camera won't focus. There we go. Like some ice cubes, and it does it. You have two ice cubes, some bunch of pieces of ice cube. You can place it here. Pretend that's the water dispenser, and this is the ice dispenser. Put the ice real quick. There we go. We have water and ice dispenser with a cup of full ice. This is just a storage unit. This is kind of hard to like stable it. If you will move this, you kind of can't move it back. Oh boy, I think I didn't. I think I broke it. Hope not. I'll see you later if I fix it. So yeah, that is fixed now. It's kind of hard to tell. I think this cup is a little bit damaged from the tape. I think the tape was taken off. It has a little rough edge and sticky edge, as you cannot see, I guess. Let's first, oh sorry, covered it up. This one. This has a cute little stickers on top. I think it's the cabinet. Snoopy eating a chocolate chip cookie, I guess. And this one is a word is just add sprinkles. I like sprinkles. This is colored white at the back. As you can see, it is cardboard on the back, not totally plastic. I think this is the background. White, a little bit of, what's this called? Dark violet maybe, I don't know. A little bit of dark violet on the handles. There, on the handles. Light pink on the bridge. And also on the bottom. It's light pink. And a little bit of stripes white. Like that. So yeah. And it opens up in a teeny tiny little handle right there. And there's some background which shows an ice cream still. Is that even gonna melt right? So in the other one, hope it's not ice cream. The problem with this one is it doesn't shut very hard maybe. Is that what this word? Because look, if you like that, it just falls. Not like this one. See, it doesn't fall. And the other ones, and it's ice cream. Also ice cream. Also in the sides, there's a little bit now. As you can see right there, let's close it a little bit right there. I hope you can see it right over there. Right there. There's hindi siya tumuloy. I can put my finger right here on the other side. So yeah. And let's move on to the falling part. The rough part. Wait, let me just adjust the camera to fit the ref. Right there. That's good, I think. Yeah, that's good. The ref has pink colored doors with dark purple handles, and it has a water and ice dispense. So excuse me. So yeah, as you can see, it says ice. The camera won't focus. Ice, and it has some some buttons, or maybe some, I don't know. And here's some two dispensers. They're not just 3D, they're real open, as you can see. And it has a little sticker of Snoopy in a macaroon bed. That looks like a macaroon. And he's sleeping, I guess. So if you open, I think this is the freezer. The ice machine is cut out in here. And water dispenser. It is made in China. It says on the ice dispenser. And the freezer has 1 and 2 shelves, but it has many storage. You can kind of take off the shelf right there. They have 1, 2, 3 dispensers. The tree's on the bottom one. You can't see it, sorry. There. 3 dispensers. And it also had ice cream, I guess. That's the fridge. And here's the rack. It also had ice creams, I guess. And there's also 3 shelves. 1, 2, 3 storage. let's go to the bottom one. The bottom one is very big. It's like not just like the cabinet. The bottom one has a dark purple or something. Comment down below what kind of color is that. It has a dark purple, I guess, handle, and it's wiggly. I don't know why. And it again. Snoopy's eating a chocolate chip cookie, sitting, and a an sign just said, just add sprinkles and macaroons. Like these combined together into one sticker. See? Snoopy eating cookie, just add sprinkles and the macaroon. So yeah, that's combined together. When you open it, that's not pretty much big space right there. See? But it's big. I think it used to store for vegetables maybe. And still ice cream there. Let's zoom that in. Yeah, it's still ice cream. What? There's ice cream everywhere. So yeah, that's all. For example, I'm gonna put food in here. Just one sec. Okay guys, na lagyan na natin ang laman ang fridge. Ngayon, let's see. Start from the top. Ayan. As you can see, may mga kind of biscuits tayo dyan. Zoom in. Ayan, may mga biscuits tayo dyan. Like that yellow thing is the Nilla wafers. Some pancake mix, some Girl Scout cookies, some Oreos, some bread, and yeah, all kind of stuffs. So back in, and here, it's kind of hard to open with this teeny tiny handles. There, we got some pots, pans right there. Pots, pans, some trays, and a little hot pan of water, something like that. Let's zoom back in. Oops, that kind of shakes. Here in the freezer, whoa! I only have a little bit of things in the freezer, like that, for example, some ice cream bars right there. On the bottom row, some ice cubes, because here you cannot place the ice cubes. So there's the ice cube, some cakes, cheesecakes I guess, some Eggo waffles, and a frozen pizza. That's gonna be yummy dessert and breakfast and lunch for pizzas, dinner. Let's close that carefully. And there is the bowl. My camera is not focusing. Let's just grab a light. Yan, may light na tayo. Thankful sa desk lamp na to. Oh, looks like in heaven. Yan. So, we have like some ice cream, some pudding, some butter, some yogurt, some, what's this? Let's see. I think this is, wait, I think that's cream cheese. Yeah, cream cheese. And there is the second drawer. Some bottle of water, some milk. Oh, it became darker again. There's some water bottle, some milk, some salads, and an orange juice. On the bottom drawer, we just have some jams. Yeah, jams. Jams. Why am I singing? And the last but not the least, the bottom drawer. Just this. Technically can't see. Wait, don't I close the door? Yeah, that's the problem. It can't shut properly. Right there, some fruit and vegetables. I only have a few things, food, and I have a lot of things. Like, look, I still have some waffle maker for the Barbie that doesn't fit there. Look, I wish the waffle could like get it out. Let's turn off the light and see. It's dark. Yeah, it's dark. So don't turn off the light. I mean, our light is on. Why is it dark? I don't know. Let's give it a one touch. So guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video and comment down below. I subscribe so you can get shout out in next video. Bye!